makeshift fire.
We've
Going
been
well.
talking about gymnastics.
What an afternoon. I'm not going to lie. That was a challenge. The NIGHTCAT hammock. I had a few issues with that setting that up. And I don't know whether it's my fault or I didn't read the instructions properly. But the clips on it don't seem to lock in. So I don't know. I don't know if it's a tension sort of clip. I don't know. But tomorrow morning I'm going to find out for sure. But yeah, gonna have some food in a bit.
I think do it again and
Some
then
music.
get going. They're just gonna go flying. No,
And a few stories.
Yeah, I will do it to my friend. It's a song on TikTok. I want you to know. I'm gonna teach them. I'm gonna let go.
Brothers. Because my brothers ain't with me tonight. I'm all by my lonesome.
My eyes are hurting.
But I don't mind.